Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our morning outlook. My name is Joseph Novichkov, Senior Analyst at GDMFX. Starting with the dollar against the yen, it's rising to one high against the yen before reports this week that economists will probably say that U.S. economic growth is keeping to up pace. It's accelerating. And of course, U.S. employers might be adding a few more jobs last month, boosting, of course, the speculation that Federal Reserve will keep cutting stimulus. Now, what we're expecting today on the economic calendar, very, very important, 12:15 GMT, that's in about 4 hours, ADP employment change, this is for month of May. It is going to affect the US dollar heavily. On the other hand, Mario Draghi's willingness to lower interest rates is turning the euro into the precious type of investment to all investors that are seeking to exploit differences in global borrowing costs, aiding Mario Draghi's efforts to weaken the currency. Right now, the euro dollar is flat, somewhere around 1.36. What we're expecting today on the economic calendar, fundamentally very important. It's coming out in a few minutes. Market service PMI. Later on, market PMI composite. Also, we're expecting 8:30 GMT to see the market service PMI as well. Expecting later on as well gross domestic product, GDP day for Europe. Producer price index later on as well. The pound right now is declining against the US dollar before the news. What we're expecting 8:30 again for the GBP is market service PMI. Basically on the economic calendar right now, what we're expecting today in the trading day, PMI and GDP day as well. Gold is holding near 4-month low as investors are awaiting the European Central Bank meeting at which policymakers might add to stimulus, as the US labor market will have a report later on today that might boost the speculations for further cuts from the Federal Reserve as well. So we're looking at 12.45 price right now, flat since last week's decline. West Texas Intermediate, on the other hand, is rising for a second day, bouncing off the support around 102.05. This is a major support area. After the industry reports today may show crude oil inventories are declining in the US, which is the major oil consumer in the world. We're awaiting fundamental news, market service PMI for US, ISM non-manufacturing PMI as well, and the very important news for crude oil. The report for crude oil stock change coming out 14:30 GMT. That's all for me. Thanks for watching.